Hello and welcome. Today we are going to practice our soldering skills. Let's do this.
Since this is just a practice, we can cut ourselves two different colored wires before using a wire stripper to remove about ½ inch on each of the wires. Both wires are twisted and then dipped into the soldering flux. This will help spread the solder more evenly later on. For our first splice, you cross the wires and then twist them in opposite directions. This splice is called the Western Union splice and works best with single core wires, not with a stranded one I'm using here. When you do this, you want to make sure you twist both wires tightly and have no single strands sticking out. Place the tip of the soldering iron under the wire and then apply the solder from the top on the wire. For a second splice, prepare the wires as you did before, but do not twist them before you dip them into the flux. This is called the inline splice, and you are trying to move the strands into each other before starting to twist them. Again, you should make sure you twist them until they are properly connected to each other and there's no single strand sticking out. I'm using a tool called third hand to keep the wires in place while I apply the solder to the wires. I'm also using a shop vac to remove all the soldering fumes. In an actual project, you would also add shrink tube to insulate the splice. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate if you left me a like and a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.